Good evening, Marion. Oh, good evening. Now, one of Marion's jobs for many years has been to make jungle sounds of birds, including parrots and monkeys and sounds of shy animals scurrying through leaves and grass. Now, with Marion's help, let's take a trip through the jungle. Oh, that's certainly a realistic jungle, believe me. Thank you, Marion. Well, you're welcome. Now, in addition to all those wonderful bird sounds, she does animals, too. Well, Tarzan's pal, of course, is Cheetah, the chimp, remember? And guess who is his voice? Down, Cheetah, down. You know, Marion's on many Western shows. You may not see her, but you'll hear her for sure. Now, that coyote sets the mood for a chilly night. Now, just picture a wagon train campfire preparing an attack Indians, and their signals, eerie bird calls. Oh, you've scared us, Marion. That's enough. You know, for years, Marion's whistles have added comedy touches as well as beauty to all kinds of cartoon creatures and other effects. Like, well, you identify them. One of Marion's recent movie jobs was in Green Mansion. She did the whistling supposed to be coming from actress Audrey Hepburn. The idea is that Miss Hepburn is from the spirit world in a jungle, and through her strange bird sound, she helps actor Tony Perkins find his way with calls like, "Here I am." "Stop, there's danger." "Come on, follow me." Just beautiful. Marion, we're very grateful to you, but I was... Oh, now, wait a minute. There's just one other favor I'd like to ask you, Marion. I don't want to be rude, but...
Of course I can, Jack. I can talk like a human being, too, but there really isn't any more to say, is there, Ted Bradley? Except, as Jack always says...